And Adante, we heard testimony earlier about the different ways that Chad, the prophet, claimed that people had to die in terms of how you would get rid of the evil spirit for someone who is possessed, and burning is one of them. We saw that with Tylee, and binding is another one. We haven't heard a ton of the religious angle here from the state. Should the defense lean in on that, and is that the only way out to have Lori being portrayed as a duped follower of the prophet Chad Daybell?
You know, there's some, credit or currency perhaps that defense tactic would bring. But I think ultimately it just shows that what happened to that young man, to her son, to that little boy, was in line with the modus operandi of this particular cult or religious sect. And so bringing that up and highlighting that only serves to underscore, yeah, she might have been duped, but at the same time, this happened to her child. I don't see a lot of sympathy coming from re-emphasizing or drawing more attention and focus to the religious teachings that I think many people here abstractly would say, hey, kind of write it off as, I think was said, a whack job or something along those lines. But to see it actually put in place, and what the destruction of that is as it relates to the death of that young man in such a torturous and horrendous way, I just don't see that as even being close to being an out for her.